While certifying the notice of motion urgent, High Court Judge Weldon Korir will on 11th July 2019 make a determination whether Kenya will respond to the case filed by Somalia at the International Court of Justice in the Netherlands over the maritime border dispute. Through lawyer Kibe Mungai, Dr. Michael Mugo, the Executive Director of Foundation of Dialogue, leading the petitioners, wants the dispute to be sorted out through a memorandum of understanding, claiming the two nations do not need the Hague-based court as there exists a maritime border agreement signed in 1974.
Because Kenya has been dragged to the International Court of Justice to answer a maritime boundary dispute with Somalia. And the maritime dispute case has an effect of probably reducing the boundary of Kenya, the maritime boundary, to a level of 9,200 kilometers squared of sea. That is, for our understanding, is roughly the size of Laikipia County.
The petitioners want a 3 to 5 judge bench constituted to hear the matter before the September date when the case is scheduled to be heard at The Hague.
And therefore we are urging, because of the nature substantial questions that are raised, that you make the recommendations, the prayers of the petition to be granted, that the bench of 5 judges, a minimum of 5 judges, be constituted to deal with this particular matter.
The Attorney General noted that Kenya will suffer no harm if it attends the court sessions to resolve the stalemate. The Kenyan coastline has 12 nautical miles territorial sea, and the territory in question is 100,000 square kilometers or 38,610 square mile triangular patch created by projecting the Kenya-Somalia border eastward into the Indian Ocean.
Our access to the sea, the exclusive economic zone, is gone. The territorial sea will be gone, and for any seafarer to get to Kenya, you have to come in through Tanzania or Somalia.
Elsewhere, a case where former PCEA church moderator David Gadhanju has been charged with the theft of 50.9 million shillings, with 3 others resumed on Thursday. Equity Bank statement provided to defense lawyers showed the current PCEA Secretary General, who is a complainant, authorized transfer of church funds. Gadhanju, who is charged alongside James Muiruri Njane and Peter Mwangi Kamudu, denied that on diverse dates between January 2, 2016 and June 30, 2017 at PCEA head office in South Sea, Nairobi County, they conspired and stole 50.9 million shillings. The trio face another charge of forging signatures on an Equity Bank funds transfer form purporting it to be genuine. The prosecution was granted 11 days to put their house in order and supply the defense team with all witness statements to be used when the matter is mentioned, and directions given 19th July 2019. For Scales of Justice, I'm Ben Troy Njue.